I'm cooking nilaga. This is I've been boiled this meat for almost an hour to make it tender. And this is kind of meat I use. This is loin country style ribs. And I've been boiling this meat for almost an hour to make it real tender. See? See how tender it is? It's almost an hour. And I put a whole onion in it while I'm boiling the meat. Now I'm ready to put my veggie or ingredients. I'm gonna put a little bit, not even half of taste black pepper. And I'm gonna put half taste of salt. And you always can taste it if enough for everything. I'm gonna put a little patis. This is fish sauce. Fish sauce. And I also gonna put some Knorr cube. This is pork flavor. Very yummy. See how tender the meat. Now I'm gonna put the corn first because the corn is a little bit longer to cook. And then this is chopped potatoes. Look at how tender this meat. This kind of meat I always use everything I cook for nilaga, sinigang, adobo. This is only meat I've been using all the time because this is very tender meat and not too much fat. I'm gonna taste if enough salt or pepper. Just right. Now I'm gonna put my favorite veggie. This is bok choy. Bok choy. I'm gonna put my bok choy. Any kind of vegetable you like to put it here. But my favorite to put it here in this nilaga are bok choy and corn and everything I put there. Now I'm gonna put my Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage is very good for nilaga. This is look like a lot of veggie, but this is gonna be going down after the juice boiling. I'm gonna put the lids for a minute. Put the lids for a minute. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also put a papaya, green papaya. Very yummy. See, the vegetable is just a little bit now. A while ago, that's a lot. Very yummy. Your family love this. When it's boiling, this is ready to eat because the meat has been tender early. Okay, this is done. Very yummy. I like my veggie, I half cook. Because the Chinese cabbage, you don't really need to cook it, but I like it in my nilaga. My onions. Lots of veggie in this. Got the papaya. I got the very yummy. Lots of juice. And this is nilaga, pork nilaga. I hope you learned something.